Hi guys, welcome to Family Life Daily Ideas. Today we will be presenting this lovely yet easy DIY for Father's Day. Even the children can help create this lovely presentation for Daddy. Remember to thank your dad every day because he does so much for you. Now let's get into this video. Alright guys, these are the lovely gifts we will be presenting to Daddy this Father's Day. First of all, let us start off with preparing our mini balloons. It's just a regular balloon. You blow 2 times and this is what you do. You go ahead and split it. You can do 2 or 3 or even 4. Follow along with what I do. And there you have it guys, you have your lovely mini balloon for personal decorations. Here you can use the hot glue gun or double-sided tape in order to hold down your gifts. Alright guys, here I'm adding in some tape for extra security. I like to make sure everything is pinned down. And guess what? I found this lovely Father's Day balloon. It is so cute. It's really tiny and just right for a personal gift. Please follow along with what I am showing you. Now, if you have the fancy double-sided tape or the glue dots, you can go ahead and use that. That will be much more easier. But at that time, I only had the regular tape. So you go ahead and fold it and make yourself a double-sided tape. Should I add this mini balloon here? Or should I add it down there? No. Maybe I'll put it right up there. Go ahead and use your double-sided tape and create that beautiful presentation. Now we continue with the same procedure, your double-sided tape, and just pin those balloons on. Let your creative juices flow. Guys, here is a rapid crafty idea. You use this craft paper, get a pencil, fold the tips up, twist it, and there you go. You have a crafty paper flower. This can block off and hide any little holes, any little empty spaces you may have. You can fill it up and, decorate your design. Wow! Happy Father's Day! Look at this lovely presentation. This is so beautiful. Every and any dad would be really grateful to get this gift. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed creating this lovely basket. Guys, don't only say Happy Father's Day to Daddy on Father's Day. Every single day of the year, remember to love him. Remember to tell him how much he means to you, how much he means to your family. You need to remind your daddy how special he is, not only on Father's Day, every single day of the year. Guys, please feel free to follow the same example. And guys, give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And guess what? There are some bonus sneak peeks at the end. Thank you for staying on this long. Guys, I hope you go ahead and try this design and let me know down in the comments how your daddy was so excited to get your present. Guys, have a wonderful Father's Day. See you in the next video.